if you leave that to the end, it will save you from crying.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss, as you already know. And today on the menu, I have got Lahmacun for you guys. If you don't know what Lahmacun is, it's kind of, you can kind of call it like Turkish pizza. From my understanding, they have it as like a starter kind of thing. It's a very light dish. It's simply very thin bread with some mince on top. So hence why they call it like a pizza, Turkish pizza. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and let's see how it goes. But before any of that goes on, do me a favor, go onto my Instagram, follow me on MosToosifar, subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar as well, and enjoy the show. Okay guys, the show begins. What I've got here first is, I don't even know, is it 250 grams of meat, beef, okay, that's that. What you want to do to that is very simple. Just get the basic stuff onto it. What you want to do is get a bit of salt. Yeah, because you want it to be tasty, right? Get that in there. And then you want to get your pepper. Get it in there, okay? And then you want to get a bit of tomato puree. Get it in there so it gets a little bit of taste and colour. Okay? That's that. Now, what you want to do is mix all of this up. Okay? Okay, quite simply so. Now, moving on, put that to the side for now. We've got this bit here. Where is my not so sharp trusted knife? Got a bit of parsley. All you want to do is grab a bunch, right? It's been washed, still a bit wet. Anyway, put that down. You want to chop it up. Okay, now what you want to do is bring this back into the plate. Get your parsley, stick it all in there. Yeah. Look at that. Hurry up, we ain't got all day. Let's get going. Come on, mate. Okay. Leave that there for now. Now, mix it up again. You want the parsley to go everywhere. Mix nicely. Right, what I'm going to do to this as well is get a little bit of oil, because it's not that sticky. Just get a little bit of oil in there, right? Add one more scoop, or not even a whole one, just a little bit of that. And just a little bit of turmeric, right? That's that. Get back into the mixing, ladies and gentlemen. Get in there. Mix it all up. See that? It's starting to change colour a little bit. It's what we want, it's what we need. Now, in terms of the bread, or the dough, as you already know, I don't like to get my hands dirty, like getting into making bread and going like that. I don't do that. So what I've done is gone through the lazy route, which is I've bought a pack of tortilla wraps. It does the job, but then again, obviously it's not going to taste exactly the same. whereas you would with making the dough yourself. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that for there for now. Where's my oven? Turn my oven up, okay? I'm gonna get that, okay? Let me just get this out of the way. Right, so I've got one and I've got two. Oh, this might be a bit tight actually. Here's what I really want to do. 2 bits of bread, right? I'm just gonna make these and leave it on the side because that needs to be preheated, so I'm a bit slow today, guys, bear with me. And what you wanna do is, all of this has got to be done by hand, but because I'm fussy, I don't do it. So you wanna get your meat, stick it on, right? You want to flatten it out as much as you can. You don't want it to go lumpy or nothing like that. Cover it all up. Okay. Here we go with number 2. I'll get a little bit more meat in there. Okay. So just okay. There's that. Just make sure it's all nicely and even. Okay, we're gonna leave that for now. That we'll leave to the end. Apparently, if you leave that to the end, it will save you from crying whilst chopping the onion. So I'm gonna give it a go now, and we'll see how it goes. So let's just, you know, peel off the skin, or cut it even in half. Kaboom! Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. There's a bit there, as you can see. I haven't took it off. I'm just gonna chop it up. Where is it? Chop up this way. Chop up this way. No, not this way. Just chop up this way. All right. I don't even know what I did. Chop up this way, and then we're gonna use this for afterwards to put it in there. So here's what we do. Mind your fingers, guys. I can honestly tell you that I still have not shed a tear, which is good. So I think it's working. So the trick has worked, I believe. And then chop off that last bit, we don't need it no more. Happy days. All right? What I'm gonna do is put this bad boy in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes. Happy days. Final chop is done, so it's all split up. All right? You can pour it in there like so. Just like so. Okay. There you are. This, I've forgotten the name, sumek? I think it's called sumek. Yeah? Pour a bit in there. Just a little bit, not too much, right? And then, you want to get your spoon. You're supposed to do this by hand, but anyway, go like that. That's done. Okay. Let's take these out. Look at what we've got here. Oh la la, look at that. We've got our pizza going on. Looking good. Turned out not so dry, which is brilliant, what we need. Because these are hot, see, the thing is, the bread is gone a bit dry, which is what I wanted to avoid. But anywho, bring it out, put it on. Right, get a bit of fresh parsley, just place it on top like so. Right, clean hands, obviously. Get a bit of onion. Depending on how much you like onions. Okay. Get that on there. And then you want your lime. Get your lemon juice, lime juice. Pour it on top, all over it. Done. Okay. Now, reason why I'm saying I didn't want it crispy is quite simply because you're supposed to roll it over. I mean, you still can, but it's all gone crunchy, as you can probably hear it. So it won't come out and look as nice as it should or would if it was to be soft. But yeah, I'm not gonna really faff around with that too much. Let's see if we can get this going as well whilst we're here. Get a bit of fresh parsley, stick it on. Okay. Get a bit of that. Don't want too much onions, not a fan. Get some more lime. Squeeze it in. Get that taste everywhere. There you go. There's that. Try and fold it up. Oh, this looks a bit better-ish. Let me just eat that one quickly. Yeah, didn't come out. Presentation-wise, it's gonna suck. It really is. But not much I can do about it. Where's my knife? Let me get my knife. Just chop this up in the middle. Alright, guys, I do apologize for the presentation of this video. Isn't gonna look as good as you would hoped, simply because the never mind. Just put 2 lambs around there. Hopefully makes it look prettier. Get a bit of parsley as well. Put some down on the side if anyone wants a bit extra. And yeah, there you have it. Let me clean my hands. And that is your Lahmacun, guys. Let me just go around, take a few pictures, and yeah, enjoy. The first attempt was a disaster, but I'm just going to try to get that and take out quickly before it goes on too much. So here's a second attempt at making it. All I hope is the bread is soft and not crispy, but we'll soon find out, won't we, dears? Okay, it looks a bit better. Oh, my hand is burning. Bring it out, get it in there, right, get a bit of your onion, get it in there. Sorry, I'm a bit rushing, I just don't want the thing to go dry on me again. Where's the lime? Squeeze a bit of lime in there. I mean, you can technically eat it like that, but obviously it's not as nice, is it? You want it to be in a wrap form or shape. It's a little bit softer than the thing this time, the bread, but still it's not as I would hope for it to be. Look at that juice, guys. Oh my. Okay, that's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. Where's the other one? One, get in there. Get your parsley going. Let me get some more. Doesn't look like it's enough, is it? What's going on? They just saw me a whole bunch of stem. Oh, there's a bit going off. Alright. Right. Get some of that onion. Done. Where's the... We have finished with the lime, so didn't get enough. So that will do. Right. Give it a final roll over. And come on. Work with me here, will ya? Yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get for me, guys. I do apologize, sorry. Again, let me get my knife. Look at that. Spin it around again. Chop it up. All the juice is coming out. Beautiful, beautiful. There's that from that side. And then there's that from that side. Stick a bit of parsley in the middle there. Alright. And then you want to put 4 bits of lime on each corner. If it shows, if not then no. And there you go, guys. That is my second attempt of Lahmacun. I'm not going to try it again because the bread is too crispy and it doesn't fold well. So here's your homemade Lahmacun, guys. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come